Okay, it's starting to get windy, so it's gonna start to get hard to film out here. But you can see this is that whole funnel area that I just got through scouting, and now I'm walking this edge. And lo and behold, look at these spots right here that I circled that I thought would be buck bedding. Now let me show you what this actually looks like out in the field. You can see right here, this is a tall CRP field. Okay, this is the actual point right here. This point right here is right here. This is all CRP. As you can see, what's difficult about this is there's clumps of trees. Bedding can be anywhere out here. There's trees everywhere. And these bucks definitely like bedding in the CRP. So, you know, this is something you can't learn from an aerial photograph. You got to get out and do your boots on the ground. Now, let me show you what I found in this particular point off of that point that I said I think would be buck bedding. I've already found my first rub in these clumps of trees. And then right over here, I found my first scrape out here. There's your licking branch. So this is a difficult area to hunt. Getting in here is hard, but here's the thing. Most hunters don't come out in these CRP fields to hunt. It's very hard. There's just no trees. A natural ground blind in here is what you're gonna have to do. So what I'm gonna do, I already see another rub over here. I'm gonna walk back into this point because I definitely think there's gonna be some additional sign and bedding. There's also a great trail leading out to that fence row where I said those clump of trees on this map right here. These areas right in here, there would be bedding. And I can already tell you there's going to be bedding out there. So once again, you've got to get out here. You've got to put the boots on the ground and find these things. And then you got to figure out, how do I get in here? Where do I set up? Because you're going to find there's hundreds of possible bedding locations, but there's only going to be a few that the bucks consistently use. And down here, the hogs compete for these areas, so the hogs could run them out. But I can tell you right now, this is definitely one that a buck is using. All right, more to come.